Welcome, cooks. Today we're making chicken taco salad. This salad is absolutely fantastic. It's easy to make and you can put it together in a very short period of time and have it for dinner after work or even a weekend lunch. So join me, let's make chicken taco salad. So we're going to start out making the dressing, and everybody says, oh, Amy just likes chipotle on everything. Well, yeah, right? I don't measure this. And if I have extra, I just use it later for something else. So I'm just going to put a whole bunch of mayo in here. Right? I don't know how much that is.
So that chicken ain't got no chance, does it?
What?
That chicken ain't got no chance.
With the dressing all over it? When it's good, right? So I have some chipotle. This is chipotle in adobo, and it is chopped and diced. Mess around and spill it everywhere. So you flavor it as much as you like.
You like in a jar because it's resealable.
Yeah, I usually get it in the jar because I don't have to like it's in the can. Once you open the can, you gotta move it to another container. And when you buy it in the jar, you just put it in the jar. So, lime. I'm just gonna go ahead. Not only is this gonna bring flavor to it, a lot of lime flavor, but it's going to help thin it out into a dressing. Ugh. Delicious. This is how I know how much I've had in there. More chipotle. More lime. These are Amy measurements. So I have a whole lot of mayo, a whole lot of chipotle, and a whole lot of lime. So that's a really good consistency for dressing. And let's give it a taste really quick. Really good. A little tangy from the lime. I love it, right? So let me get the chicken so we can start cooking. Okay, I have some boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I cut into cutlets. That just means that I trimmed them and cut them this way so they're thin from one side, because usually one side of the breast has this big, thick part. So I trim them like that so it'll be more even. So I'm going to put some salt on here. Of course. So I'm just going to use some fajita seasoning. Use your favorite, or you can make a rub with it. Just going to season it down. This fajita seasoning is more of like a traditional. It doesn't have a super ton of salt in it. That's why I put some salt on there. Because chicken definitely needs salt. Whoa, it's gonna make me sneeze. Salt. Okay, I have an enameled cast iron grill pan. You could do this out on your grill.
Martha Stewart.
He's making fun of my pan. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in here. And we'll put on some chicken. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Can I get all this chicken on here at once? Maybe. I'm going to put a little bit of fresh squeezed lime juice on here, just to bring a little flavor. Woo! So we're going to cook this on both sides. Woo, turn it down a little bit. And we're going to flip it and we're going to cook it. It's going to be done when it reaches at least 165. We'll be back. Okay, let's go ahead and flip this over. It's looking mighty tasty. Look at those little grill marks. I'm going to take the other half of my lime and squeeze it onto this side. Since the other side got a little lime love, this side needs a little lime love. And as soon as this is done, we'll be back. Okay, so the chicken is done. I put it on this plate and covered it for like 5 minutes so it can do what it's got to do. And we're going to slice this chicken up. So I'm going to take a piece just like this, and I'm just going to slice it here so we can lay it down the middle of our salad. So we're going to have nice slices, just like that.
That's cheating.
I call that good. And we're going, That is mighty tasty chicken. Mighty tasty chicken. Mighty tasty chicken. Chicken. I scoop it up like this so I can lay it on the salad like that. Mighty tasty chicken. I see a little lime peeking through there. So let me go wash my hands and we're ready to assemble the salads. Okay, so if you set yourself up a little taco ingredient bar, you can have tacos on one night, taco salad the next night, burritos the next night, right?
Ooh.
So we have some salad. I don't know why, but to me, chicken taco salad is like romaine. We have cold corn. We have tomatoes. We have, I'm using pintos because those are what I like, but you can use black beans, red onions, cheese, diced avocado, cilantro, and we have our dressing that we make. So, a lot of times you see taco salads with a big fried shell. We're going to do that at one point in the future. But we're starting with just using chips. And these are thin chips. And I'm going to kind of crunch them up a little bit here. So that's the base of our taco salad. We have lettuce going on. So we're going to get that all around here. Very, very nice. Very nice. And we're going to be piling on some ingredients. So I'm going to start with this is cold corn. It was frozen, but I just allowed it to thaw. Because I don't know what it is. Taco salad with this cold corn. So good. Got cold corn. We're gonna put tomatoes. Yeah. Chopped tomato. We're gonna put some onions on here. A little bit of red onion. We have pintos. I'm gonna put cilantro in here. I didn't chop the cilantro, I kept it kind of as leaves because when you mix it in, it's like complements the salad. Whoops. This one's gonna be mine. Chopped avocado right in there. So I'm going to leave the cheese off. Oh, that looks so good. So we're going to put chicken right across there. Boom. Right. And some of our salad dressing.
Drizzle.
Yeah. That there looks amazing. Totally amazing. Okay, so I made Eric's salad the same as mine, except he's got cheese on his. And I'm gonna put a little bit of our dressing here. Drizzle all around. That looks amazing.
Thank you, Boo.
You're welcome. So let's give him a fork and look at that. Oh, that's a salad there.
Hey, Taco Bell, I'll take a number 9, please.
And here's mine. So let's take a taste. Cheers, everyone. Look at this salad. This looks amazing. So normally a taco salad, like you go places and they have this big old fried shell. If you're just making this, at home, a quickie, put the chips underneath there. But we will do one with the fried shell on it. So good. What I love about this kind of salad is there's so many flavors and textures, and I love cold corn in there and cold beans. It is so good. Wow. And the chicken?
Chicken's incredible. Your chipotle sauce is incredible.
This is a really good salad. Really basic. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. I gotta go. Because I gotta eat my salad. Thanks for joining me. So good.